Neighborhood superstar, neighborhood superstar. Niggas hit the block hard, niggas hit the block hard. Neighborhood superstar, neighborhood superstar. Niggas hit the block hard. Is that what we do?
I'm on the block every day and I drive a hot car. Music hits so loud you can hear it in the backyard. SS and Impala with the rims, you know it go hard. Call me for that song, but you know I can make it hard. See the police and they know I'm a block star. Had to hit the gas, show them motherfuckers NASCAR. When we on the block, you know we chillin' in the backyard. Whole clique gangsters, we ain't even gotta act hard.
Neighborhood superstars, neighborhood superstars. Niggas hit the block hard, niggas hit the block hard. Neighborhood superstar, neighborhood superstar. Niggas hit the block hard. Is that what we do?
I live a life of a block star. I touch so much stuff, I got you thinking I'm a rock star. And oh yeah, I often bleed the block hard. And my whole damn camp known to turn us off hard. My money come quick like a nigga to a bad broad. Should they ask second question, should they ask pa? Goddamn, I got your brain and all. Cause the strings of the guitar got you thinking, what? Why he do that there? How he do that there? How he move that there? That nigga don't care. I be Young Turf, the hustler of the year. I'ma tell them motherfuckers how we do without you.